Barbecue.
Folks at home, welcome back. Welcome to another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your host, Jazz, the hostess with the mostest. Today, we're going to do a stupid simple recipe. If you haven't seen out there on the internet, we've seen people taking the little King's Hawaiian rolls and you put meat in them and whatever, throw them in the oven, bake them. Those little slider sandwiches. That's what we're doing today. We're going to make some cheesesteak sliders just for you guys at home. Doing it simple. We're going to cook up some meat, some onions, some green pepper. We're going to do it right here on the Blackstone, and then we're going to throw it in my smoker and to finish it off, and hopefully it'll all work out. My last couple of videos have been a little shady, but that's what we're going to do today. Stupid simple recipe. If you haven't yet, go check out my merch page. Links in the description. Get yourself a t-shirt. Help a brother out. Let's get to cooking. All right, let's kick it off. We're going to throw our olive oil down here just a little bit. Before it runs off, we're going to throw our onion on and some green pepper. Throw a little bit of seasoning on them. I don't want these green peppers being too big. Cut that a little bit. I don't mind the onions being big because they'll shrink up just a tad. Alright y'all, this certified backyard chef is ready to take this stuff off. Look at that. It's gonna look just delicious. Get it off the steam. There we go. Alright y'all. Get the meat pulled off here. We're just gonna mix it all together. Alright y'all, put my bread in here, got it sliced in half. We'll go ahead and start throwing our meat down. Our meat and veggie combination here. You may have to mess it around just a little bit. Alright, got a glove on here. We're just going to even it all out. Make it to where it's nice and purty. That way we get a nice mixture in here. You don't want to have too much onion, too much pepper on one. You want to have it nice and smooth, nice and even. You know, pick anything that falls out. My pan is a little shorter than my buns here. My little slider rolls. Alright, that looks pretty decent, I think. Alright, we'll go get some cheese. We'll put some cheese on it. We'll put it in the smoker. Alright, I'm going to use two types of cheeses. First one here is going to be some pepper jack cheese. We're just going to layer this pepper jack cheese on. I'm going to go put the pepper jack on half because I don't think my kids are going to like the pepper jack cheese. They're kind of picky, so we're just going to layer it up. Just like that. we're going to put a lot of cheese on here because that's what makes Philly cheesesteaks or cheesesteaks in general, you know, really good is all the cheese you put on there. So we're going to put twice the amount of cheese. This is provolone cheese, which is really good on this type of food. So really good on steak. Now we're just going to put the rest of it over here, because that way my kids won't complain, hopefully, too much. Alright, there we go. Now, we're going to take our bread tops, put them on. Just like that. Easy as can be. Now, I know that when most people make these, they make some sort of fancy butter to spread on it, and this, that, and the other. It has like the little whatever in it. But around here, the old Cheapville, we're using the spray-on. So, just going to have to get over it, folks. I'm just going to spray a little bit of butter on it. I know, someone out there is cringing right now. But, let me tell you, this works just fine. Alright, we'll clean it up just a bit, and we'll throw it on the smoker. Alright, grill's 350, smoke setting, set it on the top rack. Just like that. 15-20 minutes. Yo, look at that. Look how shiny it is. It's awful toasty. Oh, these are going to be so good. I can smell them. They smell amazing. I'm going to cut one out. I want to see what it looks like. Forgive me. This is going to be harder than it looks, I think. Make sure we cut this good. Alright, see if we can get one out of here. Yo, look at that. Look at all that cheese. Doesn't that look like an awesome slider? Oh man. Alright, let's take a bite. Alright guys, rookie mistake. I didn't press record, so I've already kind of took some bites. But it's freaking good. So I'm going to take another bite just for you, because I don't know how I can prove it otherwise. But I was already eating this. Forgot to hit record. Wasn't an idiot. But anyway, let's just keep eating. Man, that's so good. Oh, that cheese combination just kills it. Just takes it over the top. The red onions. Oh, I love red onions. That's freaking phenomenal. Alright, y'all. That's it for me. These things were phenomenal. I'm going to take them inside. My kids will be here in a little bit. We're going to have some supper. And don't forget to check out my merch page. Don't forget to follow me on social media. NewbieQ2020 on Facebook and Instagram. NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue on TikTok. Check me out. Hit subscribe, guys. Hit a like button down there. Leave a comment. What do you think? Have you ever done any kind of sliders like this before? What's your favorite kind of slider? That's what I want to know. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.